So you can head to Kneefitin5 for all your physical therapy needs. What we did is Scott, physical therapist, and myself, orthopedic surgeon, got together and made a program that anybody can follow for essentially any diagnosis. We have 11 diagnoses, and we make it very simple. We take you day by day with a brief written description followed by a short video clip on the exercises of what to do and when to advance to the next level. It's called Kneefitin5 because there's 5 levels. There's a basic level, and then it progresses to more advanced therapy activities. But it's something that Scott and I are both very passionate about. We were tired of seeing people come in with knees that weren't rehabbed. They'd been to physical therapy and they hadn't had them rehabbed. We set the price at $99. That's about 2 co-pays for physical therapy, and you get as many visits as you need. So it's something I'm very passionate about, and I was just frustrated with seeing patients come back not rehabbed and paying good money. So we made a program that everyone can follow.